Constitution that the test for every action taken, for every process is the best interest of the child. That is what must guide whether it is a court process, whether it is the diversion process. Now, remember, children, if, for instance, they have to be charged with offenses, we have children's courts. Their matters go to the children's court. These are to be held in camera, these trials or prosecution. There is a protection so that information about their cases is not released to the public.
Right.
And again, I said there is also a diversion program. The prosecution and other actors have a responsibility where it is merits to actually divert these children from going to the criminal justice system. In diversion, what you are talking about is actually, for instance, provide them opportunities to go and reconcile, to go and make amends with the person they have wronged, so that they can now get into rehabilitation and be reintegrated. They could actually also be released to the custody of someone who is fit and responsible.
A guardian.
A guardian of sorts.
Okay.
These children also could be committed to if, for instance, they have committed offenses that require a form of institutionalization. We have the Boston institutions.
Right.
Which are under the prison system.
Are those what used to be called approved schools?
The approved school used to be different. They were different. Now they are called. They have a different term now.
Okay.
And the model of those schools was basically you give them a shock. But that doctrine, that philosophy has been abandoned.
Right.
Now,
which was quite traumatizing.
Which was quite traumatizing.
Yeah.
Right now is basically the focus is on rehabilitation.
Right.
Now, the Boston institutions, those are only 3 in Kenya, and they are really the ones that where the children have committed certain form of offenses, they say like murder, then they can be taken through those institutions until some time.
Right.
So, but then there are many other mechanisms that actually take care of the children. We've talked about this diversion program. They can also be sent to carry out community service. Or there could be a question where they actually pay a fine. When it comes to a fine, the parents or the guardian may be the ones the ones to pay the fine.
Cost, yes.
So there are many options of dealing with the children who find themselves in conflict with the law.